Oh yeah. Here's another laid back track by Fresco. You got that puppy love? The day we met, it was a dream come true. You fell in love with me and I with you. I remember it was a sunny afternoon. You caught my eye as you sat across the room. You waved hello and I waved back. You blew a kiss and I will reminisce about the day, girl. The day we met, a day I'll always remember, a day I'll never forget. Cause you're the one for me. You and I together, we were meant to be. I can't get over the fact that you're mine, you're all I think of. We're like two puppies in love.
Puppy love, we'll always be together. Puppy love, we'll always be together.
Back in high school, I used to walk you to class, carry your tray, your books and bags. My homies would laugh and say I was sprung, cause they never understood what was puppy love. You don't disrespect, lie or cheat. Treat her like a lady, make her feel like a queen. It's all plain and simple, rule 101. The fundamentals of dating have just begun. It feels so good when you're with your girl. You share everything like you could take on the world. Always keep her safe and give her peace of mind, cause you know it takes two to make a thing go right.
Puppy love, we'll always be together. Puppy love, we'll always be together.
Dedications on the radio and talks on the phone, whispering I love you every time you're alone. Gazing at the stars, wondering what life brings. Before you know it, you're getting fitted for a ring. What started out small became something strong. Now you're getting married and dancing your song. Your family and friends are there by your side to wish you the best on this beautiful night. Sharing hugs and kisses as romance fills the room. Now you're on a journey to your special honeymoon. All this came as a blessing from above, and the day we first met, they called it puppy love.
Puppy love.